Hey guys, this is Jamie Lowell Tallulah Poet Spice, and I am here to do my last video for Planning2craft, which all the links are below her YouTube channel, the Etsy shop, and you can see, go and check out the kits that she has for digital printing and so forth, and go shopping. We all love shopping. Yay! Shopping, 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 shopping. All right, so this time I did 3 projects, so I'm just going to show you those. And like I said in my previous one, I rarely use things exactly the way they're supposed to be used, so I did a few things here. I'm going to start with the colorful one. Now I had made my all the other projects, and I was like, well, I want to go ahead and use these other little bits up, so I made just a mini quick journal using some envelopes. This is one of the fabric pieces that she sent, so I used it to tie it up. The only thing I did not use was this fabric piece here, and so I'll probably end up using it for something else, whatever. So I had these gold stickers, so I put those on, and I did pull out a paper pad to do the background, but this little girl here and this piece back here were in the kit. This was in the paper pad she sent. This tag was in there, so I went ahead and glued it down to create a pocket. And then this is like a fabric tag on some cardboard that was sewn down, so I glued that on to make it a pocket. So it's a pocket with a pocket on top. And then there were all these colorful little, what do I want to say, tea dyed and coffee dyed, and probably I probably want to say Kool-Aid dyed. I'm not sure. It could have been something else. I have seen Kool-Aid dyed papers, but actually I've done Kool-Aid dyed papers. So these were like dotted and spotted, and so I decided I was just going to do a quick put it together, kind of like a rainbow little piece. So all these pages, I love this paper. All these pages were ones that she sent me. Of course, I love my gorgeous girls, and I happened to have this laying on my desk, so I was like, I'll just throw that in there. And then she had some washi tape samples, so I just went ahead and put washi tape in here in random sections, because I kind of liked that random look that was going on with these pastels. So I put some more here that she had sent, and I just cut it down, sewed in one signature, and this is some Tonic Studios twine. And put those in, so like the washi tape. And then there was a doily, so I cut it and I layered it up. So I put it here on the back, and then I put some more paper on the back. So that's just a quick one, because I didn't want those pages to go to waste, so I just made a quick little strawberry type fun one. All right, the next thing again, of course, it was steampunk, as I said before, so I'll link the other 2 videos in the description box below. So this time I made like a double accordion kind of junk journal, and these pages back here were part of the items that she sent. She sent these buttons, and then I showed you how I printed those on craft paper. Now the base of it is actually made for, this paper here is actually Crafter's Companion, this page. But I'll show you. So here, I used some of the book pages that she had to create triple pockets. Oh, I need to glue that back down. I had an extra die cut sitting around, so there's that one. I took this, which is one of the printables, and put it in here as a tag. This was one of the pieces of paper, so I layered it up in the back. And this is made from a book page that she sent. Now this one's free, so you could put a picture here or something like that. Same on this side. These were the coffee dyed papers that she sent, so I cut them down so that they would fit. I made a signature here. I put in a tag. I didn't put a tag there, but I put a place for a tag there. I used some more of those papers that she sent. So she had a writing piece here and book pages. And this is another one of those embellishment pieces. I put in an envelope. Okay. Then I just made a tag out of some extra papers that I had sitting around. This was one of the little pockets and some of the washi tape and like one of these little pieces here, ephemera pieces. So there's a tag place there for a tag. in here. And so I put one of these in there again. So there's actually a place for a tag right there. So I just made like a booklet of an envelope here. Then when you open it this way, I sewed in another section. So then you turn it over and you have this. So I used one of the cards there and here. This is some other items. Well, it's not items, it's one. It's another item, a collage page that was there. And turn it this way. So some more of the coffee dyed papers. And then you're back to the front. So the journal is actually like this. Okay. So if I remember, I'll put the tutorial that I used to create the base on there. Now, my final project, it's very simple, but it's so very cute. And it's another way to use papers that you have. So you print out digital papers and you can use them just like you would any other paper. So I took out my Divinity Designs die and I created a steampunk bag. So I used this paper here from Paper Studios, I believe, as the base, and then the papers that I printed from her digital kit I used as the layer. So you can see where the steampunk pieces are, and then you have this piece here, and then the layers for the pockets. Now this is one of the little buttons that was in there, side again, and then in the back. So I wanted that telescope, so there it is in the back. And then you could fill it up with whatever goodies you wanted. So those are my 3 projects this week. And these are the 2 from the week before, or the previous video. I don't know exactly what order they're going to go up in. So in the description box below, definitely find the links to the shop and her YouTube channel. And I am going to do a giveaway. Okay. So if you are interested in receiving, I don't know which one it'll be, it just depends on how I feel when I pack it up. If you are interested in any one of these projects, in the description box below, you can tell me which was your favorite one, and you never know, you may end up getting that in the mail. You just never know. I don't know. And I don't know how I'm going to choose or whatever. It just depends. So there you go. I will see you guys later. I'm going to stop rambling now. Go check out the shop, and thanks for watching.